Satish Kumar here. Welcome to this 12th video on tips, tricks in Microsoft Excel. This video, we are going to see how to filter pictures. Normally, we will filter a data. Here, we are going to see how to filter pictures, right? So, let us take this file. I have a small data name. Below the name, I have the name of the Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint. Here on the right hand side, there is a column heading called as logo. Here we are going to insert some logo. When you filter the Excel, it should filter the logo of a page, logo of that Excel. If you filter Word, it should show the logo of Word. If you filter Word, it should show the logo of the Word. So like this, I want to filter based on some values. The picture has to be filtered. So first, let me insert a picture here. So let us go to Insert. Under Insert, you can see the picture option is available. Click on the picture. Under picture, let me select the picture. First, I am going to select this Excel picture. I have already downloaded this picture which is available. So let me insert it here. Yes, it's inserted, but this picture seems to be a little bit larger. Either you have to decrease the height and width of the picture or increase the height and width of that particular cell. So let me do that. I am increasing the width of that particular column where we have the logo, and I am increasing the height of that cell also, where I am going to insert this Excel. After inserting, now it is fitting within the cell. An important thing we have to do is, after inserting it, let us make a right click on this and we will go to this last but one option called as size and properties. Click on the size and properties. On the right hand side, the size and properties of the picture will open. Under this, you can see the properties will be available. Most of the time, the property will be compressed like this. If it is compressed, click on it and expand it. Under the properties, there is an option available, move and size with cells. It has to move and size with the cells. It should not go out of the cell, correct? And there is an option called as do not move and move but size. That's a default option. Let me select this first one, move and size with the cells. This has to be done for the first picture. Similarly, let us do it for the second one also. Go to Insert. Under Insert, once again inserting a picture. Now let me select that word picture. The second one, I believe it's Word. So let us select the word. Insert. The word picture is inserted. Once again, we are increasing the height and we are placing it in the cell where the word logo we want. And go to the right hand side on the properties. Since it's already opened, it's available. Otherwise, you have to open it. So let us click on Move and Size with the cells. The third one, we'll do one more thing here. Insert the logo of PowerPoint. Picture, we are inserting the picture, we are inserting the logo of PowerPoint, insert. As usual, we will increase the height of that particular row and we are placing it here within the cell, and then as usual go to the right hand side, properties, move and size with the cell. Now let me close the format picture. Now it's not required. Let me close this. Now let me apply the filter for this table. We are going to apply the filter. Of course, we know the shortcut key. Control Shift L for applying the filter. Now it's very simple. I am going to filter Excel and I want to see the logo of Excel like this. If a part number is available, I want to see the picture of the part number. So like this, you can filter. You can apply anything here. So let me filter Excel. I'm selecting Excel here and I say OK. Now you can see Excel is filtered and we are seeing the logo of Excel. Similarly, we can filter this PowerPoint. Let's say OK. The PowerPoint is filtered. PowerPoint logo is filtered here. Simple, same thing, correct? So let us select Word and Word logo is filtered. And let me clear the filter and everything is displayed here. Perfect, right? So very easily you can filter the picture. And the trick is you have to change the properties. So do practice this. I believe this will help you. Thanks for watching the video. We will see you in the next video.